Hey there,
Hey everybody.
welcome. We are at Ikea today
Yeah.
on a hurricane day. Hurricane tropical storm. Nicole has passed with minimal damage
Got
to
the
the area.
inroads going on right now, so
Yeah.
it's just the wind and rain.
Wind and rain right now, a little bit of mist. And so we're at Ikea at Millennia in Orlando.
I haven't been here in a long time.
We have not. We haven't really been. When we first came back to Florida, we stopped in for a little bit and walked around, but didn't
It's like
spend.
one of our favorite stores, but we hardly ever come.
Yeah, but now they got Christmas stuff, so we're gonna see what they got,
All right,
and we're gonna share it with you.
Here we go.
There you are in your kitchen.
You know which kitchen to find me in, right?
Yeah, this is the one. This is your kitchen.
It's a scaled down version of the really big one, but
Yeah,
it's my favorite IKEA kitchen here.
absolutely. I love it. It makes you feel like you're at home.
Do you think we could make this work over the island?
Something like that, yeah, that would be cool.
It would tone down the brightness of the lights.
Yeah, we need to figure out something different with that.
It's too of them. It could pay for beach.
Right. Well, let's see. Would you look at the size of that pantry?
See how well they stock it.
Yeah, this is always my favorite.
Look at all that storage.
And lights in the drawers. Ah! So cool. Well, we made it out alive.
Hey, yeah, all in one piece.
Yeah. So,
We didn't do too bad. We didn't spend that much money today. Just replaced a few kitchen items that we needed.
Yeah.
That's about it.
And,
Oh, and some goodies, of course.
yeah, no kidding. We always manage to come out with some goodies at the end.
How about Swedish goodies?
For sure. And we stopped and we had, you might have seen the picture of the cake and the coffee. We stopped halfway and had cake and coffee.
Had dessert and coffee.
That
That was
was
a nice pit stop.
It was nice. Yeah, the cakes were good, nice and moist. That chocolate was rich.
Oh gosh, I'm not a big chocolate person. I like chocolate, but I'm not a big chocolate person.
But it was
good.
It was good. Coffee was good.
Yeah.
Hit the spot.
Death by chocolate or chocolate overload.
Chocolate overload. Yeah, and the other one was a strawberry cake.
Strawberry with cream cheese, whipped cream cheese.
Yeah, that was yummy. So, and then we took a look at different things around the store and also the Christmas stuff. Went through the Christmas stuff and showed you some of that. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you had fun on the little Ikea tour that we did.
Yeah,
And,
we don't IKEA. We like IKEA. We like IKEA really a lot.
We just don't come very
You know,
much.
their prices have gone up significantly since inflation and the pandemic and all of that.
Yeah.
But you know, they still have some nice stuff if you shop for it. But the prices go along with it.
Yeah, everything has gone up.
Unfortunately, yeah, it kind of makes you
Especially-
want to look elsewhere so you can get it cheaper.
Especially
You
the
used to say, "Oh,
furniture."
IKEA, it's cheaper at IKEA. But
Yeah, not so much anymore.
not so much anymore.
But it still may be cheaper than other places.
You got a point, or you may only find it here.
Yeah, that's true. So, anyway, if you like the video, we'd appreciate a thumbs up.
Yeah, subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
We're almost at 200. Let's see if we can get it this week. That'd
Yeah, I
be
think-
so awesome.
8 more to get to 200 subscribers.
Yeah.
And if
Tell
we could
your
do that.
friends, get your friends to sign up. Come on and laugh with the fat guys, okay?
Yep. All right, guys. Well, you guys have a great day.
Have a great day.
And we will see you real
All
soon.
right, this is the weekend, almost the weekend. Have a great weekend.
Yep.
God bless. We'll see you soon.
All right. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye now.